These videos are just, as usual, tools for me to stay accountable. And they're not exciting by all means, but they're at least motivating to me personally. Thanks to you guys, and thanks to this weekly habit. So we're on Knox Mountain tonight. I've been working pretty late. 10 days left of this job, and then the big move to Calgary. So lots to do, lots to power through, and all the while staying focused on essentially burning these calories, burning this weight off. That's what I intend to do tonight, barring another thunderstorm where I gotta run. I think we're okay though. Well, that's all the way up, heading all the way down. I don't think I hit a Spinny Latin speed record on that one, but I mean, it can't be much over 30 minutes these days, which is awesome. Just pure awesome. Nothing but joy and excitement in the newfound capabilities, man. That's my favorite part about this whole adventure. Feeling pretty fortunate. It's not too often it goes from that to that. Nice blue sky, sun. It's good evening. This has been an exceptionally wet month of July so far. Pretty impressive, actually. Great. Of course, the last summer in the Okanagan, last partial summer in the Okanagan has to be like this. That's how she goes. But what a fantastic night to be on the road, underpack, underweight, burning these calories. I did do a small hike earlier. I just didn't film it. I don't know. It was more like a dog walk turned into a longer adventure along the what is that? I can't remember the name of that creek. Glen Canyon Regional Park. And it was great. Lots of stairs up through there. But, I really only ever stopped to kind of walk Bella, get her some water, get her cooled down. And we just kind of kept going. So no footage of that, which is fine. But we're bombing into the weekend here. And then one more week of work. Wild, man, wild. Just flying by. And then the big move. And it gets crazy. Oh well. Feeling super good. Feeling pretty accomplished in terms of the calories and the kind of the weight department and all that. So it's pretty awesome. And now I get to plan in earnest my 2-week time off, which, honestly will consist primarily of moving, but Rocky Mountains, maybe a high rim trail through hike. Sky's the limit. As long as the sky doesn't look like that. Saskatoon berries are coming in. So good. Man, I gotta stop looking at that frickin' Songbird app. It's by the Cornell University. It's called Merlin, named after the falcon, and with reference to the magic of King Arthur's court. But I just stop. I'm like, what bird's that? Pull out the thing, watch it, listen to it for a while. I'm like, no, I gotta get up to the top here. But just fascinating, man. Like, the catbird. Who would have known? Oh well. Time to really hammer down. Got a couple Saskatoon berries in me. A little bit more knowledge with regards to birds. Time to make these legs burn. You get down into these draws where you get lots of moisture and the humidity is so high in here, even though it's pretty cool. Ah, I hate humidity. it's all good. We're doing pretty great. A couple more pushes up to the main climb, up to the summit. Yeah, really working hard now, really sweating, really loving this.